In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bend text in Inkscape. First, launch Inkscape on your desktop. If you already have a project open, that's great. Otherwise, start a new document so you have a clean workspace. Take a moment to zoom in to a comfortable level and make sure you're on the layer where you want the effect to live. If there are existing shapes or artwork on the canvas, select them with the Select tool so you're aware of what's active before you begin. Next, create the path that your text will follow. You can use the Circle tool, which is perfect for badges, seals, or arcs, or the Bezier tool if you want a custom curve. Think of this shape as the guide rail for your lettering. The stroke of that shape defines the bend. Keep your lines simple and smooth for the best results. If your curve feels too sharp, undo and try a gentler arc. The cleaner the path, the cleaner the text wrap will look. Now, grab the Text tool and type your words. Pick your font, size, and spacing so the text roughly fits the length of your path. It doesn't have to be exact yet. You'll refine the position in a moment. Make sure the text and the path are both visible on the canvas, ideally with the path on top or at least not hidden behind other objects. Hold Shift and select both the text and the path. With both selected, go to the text menu and choose Put on Path. Instantly, your text will snap to the curve of the shape you drew. If it doesn't appear where you expect, check that you've selected the correct two objects, the text and the exact path you want it to follow. To fine-tune the placement, you have two straightforward options. Add spaces at the beginning of your text to nudge it along the path. This is quick and precise for small adjustments. For larger shifts or to change the overall angle, click the path again to reveal the rotation handles, then rotate the entire shape. The text will move with it, making it easy to center or align your design. When you're happy with the look and want to keep the curve without the original guide shape, select the text and go to Path, then Object to Path. This converts your live text into vector shapes that preserve the bend. After that, you can safely delete the original path. Just remember, once converted, the text isn't editable as text anymore, so make a copy first if you think you'll need to edit the wording later.